Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In this video, we will be talking about some amazing perfume kits which are perfect as a gift set. So if you're looking for some gifting options or just for yourself, so if you want to try different fragrances, you can get these gift sets and choose the best for you. So here I have 4 gift sets with me and 2 of them they're high-end luxury brands and 2 are affordable brands. And one more perfume is there which is not from a gift set but that's a mini, so I have included that. So without further ado, let's begin the video and talk about these perfume in details. So this is the first perfume which I was talking about. It's called Irresistible by Givenchy. It's not from a gift set but it's a free gift by Givenchy. I got a lipstick from the brand and this was a free gift with the purchase. It's called Irresistible. So this is not from a gift set but it's a mini, so I just included this. It's a floral fragrance. It's very mild and soft and the bottle is also very cute little bottle. So if you do not like anything heavy on you, you can go for this. Now these 2 are high-end luxury perfumes. I will not be talking much about them as I'm not sure whether they are available in India or not. But as this video is on a perfume gift set and I have them, so I will just show you this. This red one is women's set and here you get 6 mini perfumes of all the high-end brands. So here all the details is also given. So the first perfume is from Michael Kors, Signoria, Salvador Ferragamo, Burberry Black Perfume. Then Dahlia by Givenchy. I just love this. Mugler Alien and Jimmy Choo. So this is a very nice gift set and even if you want for you, you can definitely get this. So this is how all the mini bottles they look like. I feel this is a very good idea because all the fragrances here are high-end luxury brand and to get full-size bottles for all of these is a big deal. So you can get 2 or 3 different gift sets like these and try as many different perfumes you want. So if you're traveling to US or any of your friends or relatives stay there, you can ask them to bring these for you. And this is a gift set for men. Here also you get 5 different bottles of 5 to 7 ml each and all are high-end perfumes. On the back you get the details for all of these perfumes also. So now let's talk about our Indian brand and the first gift set I have is from Wow. So here you get 3 different perfumes for 30 ml each and as a gift set the perfume packaging everything looks very nice. The first perfume here you have is Darjeeling Dew, the second one is Gulmarg Mist and the third one is Tanjore Twilight. On the back side, they have mentioned the notes for all 3 of them and the price for this is rupees 12.99 but I'm quite sure that you can get this for discount on a much lesser price. So here you get a total of 90 ml of product for 12.99. The third perfume, this Twilight, Tanjore Twilight is my favorite. It's very deep and mysterious and it has layers to it. I have so many perfumes with me but I do not have anything which is close to this. This is perfect for nightwear. So if you do not want to buy this whole set and want to get just one perfume, then get this Tanjore Twilight. It's a very beautiful fragrance. So this is the last gift set with me and this is the lowest priced also. This is from Engage and here you get 4 bottles of 25 ml each for just rupees 9.99. So this one is cheaper than the Wow set. The packaging and the bottles look much fresh and pleasing here. And here you get 4 fragrances from 4 different families. So you get a lot more variety here. So the first perfume here is Femme which has citrus and floral notes. The second one is Verona which has citrus and fruity notes. The third one is Yang which has fruity and floral notes. And the last one is Fantasia which has floral and spicy notes. But here as the price is low, the fragrance quality is also like that. But it's good that on a budget you get decent fragrances. You can definitely look for this for gifting purposes and do not expect much from these. But considering the price point, they are good. I did not like the third one Yang here, but apart from this, all the 3 are decent fragrances. For the price you pay, you get good decent products. So this was the video guys. I hope you liked this video and if you did like, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and updates. See you in the next video. Till then, Bye.